This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 16th, 2023. It's currently June 14th, 2023, 3:27 p.m. Eastern Time. Sorry, guys, I forgot to post this reading, so I'm just doing it now. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have the Hierophant card. So in a lot of cases, the Hierophant card is like kind of like a holding pattern. Sometimes it indicates something to do with Congress, but usually it's a holding pattern with like a pop and drop in it. When we look at the 16th on the 1 month, we've got the Tower card, so a crest that we sell off from, or excuse me, a peak that we sell off from pretty notably. A lot of price change covered here on the 16th based on the correlation to the Ace of Discs. Very likely have a low here. If it's not the same low, it'll be a lower low here on the 16th. And you can see we've got the Ace of Discs in the high position. A lot of price change off of the high. Behavior around the low, even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds, we still have a notable move to the upside. Usually the futility card will start out of a low, or out of a decline, I should say. And then I'm advised to trade around a sideways fluctuating rally that precedes a decline. By the way, the file for the 16th was created on April 6, 2023 at 3:13 p.m. Eastern Time. Sorry to be doing this one so late, guys. I'm glad somebody pointed out that it was missing. So in the pre-market, we have a notable decline. We likely open lower as well. Sorry, guys. My dog is like getting in the way of my mouse here. We likely have a notable decline or an open, like a lower open in the pre-market. There's a bit of a rally after visiting a support level that we recently met once before to the downside. There's a rally off of that support level, probably. It's kind of mixed. It's kind of mixed in the pre-market. So we open lower, there's a bit of a rally, but then there's a decline to a support level we recently met before. And then right around the open, there's a notable decline through multiple support levels. We, in the first half hour, however, have a prominent move higher. This is probably where we see a pop and drop. There's a prominent move higher in that first half hour, successfully turning resistance into new support. That's resistance on the scale of a one-day chart. And we likely have our first high here, either in the pre-market or here in the first half hour, and maybe we have two highs. But we do some bumping along resistance sideways between roughly 10 and 11. And then between roughly 11 and 12, there's a notable move higher. The adjustment cart usually is a move out of oversold territory. Out of oversold territory, or sometimes it's a gap up, or sometimes it's to fill a previous gap down, like a notable move higher. But it'll be a pretty big move higher. I'm advised to trade around like noontime. Looks like there's a lot of movement to the upside there. Around like that 11 to 12 o'clock hour, maybe even at like 12 to 12:15, there's a significant move to the upside, but that turns into where we see a peak or decline. We have correlation here to the Tower card midday, so we see off of this peak or crest a notable decline, and that decline offers opportunity to open up a long position on the scale of a one-day chart, because out of that decline midday, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line breaking through horizontal resistance. A rally along a diagonal trend line ending with a fast sudden move higher. That fast sudden move higher is probably taking us to a peak right around 2 o'clock, maybe a little bit after, but it's pretty tricky here. That's where I would exit from a long position. If I open up a day trade here midday long position, I would close it when we have this fast sudden move higher ending that rally along a diagonal trend line, and I want to be quick about it because there's a significant decline here between roughly 2 and 3. This is cross-reading congruency with the universe card from the sneak preview from the prior reading, and we sell off through multiple support levels in the last hour off of a near overbought peak or crest. There's a significant reversal right around the close, and we probably see another I don't think this will be a day's high here at the end of the day. It's more so like just a prominent crest or a prominent peak that'll stand out in the midst of some pretty notable really looks probably like a sideways day, but we opened significantly lower is my sense. And right here, this is a notable decline that I would really look out for here. This universe card. Overall, though, it looks like it's mixed volume, leaning towards the downside, and then the sneak preview for the 20th is a notable move higher or gap up over the weekend. That's the 16th of June 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. And as always, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. If you want to get this information sooner, guys, you can get it on our website, Tarot for Traders, under our early access subscription for $29 a month. You get these readings that come out on YouTube. Sometimes they come out over a month ahead of time. And it's a great way to support the channel, so check that out. But most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma, my friends. 5% of the profits forward to one of those charities, 5% of the profits back to the channel. Make sure you spend that 90% out of love, follow those rules, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.